Today, we will discuss on important and rapidly growing opportunity, international legal freelancing. Especially, we will understand how Indian lawyers and law students can work with clients from the US, UK and UAE while sitting in India. This is not a theoretical concept. It is a practical, scalable career path if approachable with the right strategy. Let us begin with the broader perspective. The legal industry is no longer limited by geographically. Businesses across the world are increasingly outsourcing legal work to remote professionals. Why? Because it is more efficient, flexible, and cost effective. As a result, Indian legal professionals now have access to a global client base where they can offer services and earn in foreign currency. So the key shift is this from a local legal practice to a global legal services model. Now, an important question: what kind of work can you actually do for international client? There are several areas where you can safely and professionally contribute without needing a foreign bar license. You can work on contract drafting such as a non-disclosure agreement, service agreement and business contracts. You can provide legal research and writing including case law analysis and legal memos. You can prepare compliance document, privacy policies and website terms and conditions. However, you must clearly avoid certain activities. You should not represent client in foreign court or present yourself as a licensed local attorney in another jurisdiction. Maintaining this boundary is essential for ethical and professional practice. Let us briefly understand the type of work available in K regions. In the United States, there is a strong demand for startup related legal work, especially contract, SaaS agreement, and legal research. In the United Kingdom, opportunities are more focused on commercial contracts, compliance, documentation. In the UAE, businesses frequently require corporate agreement, business setup documentation, and commercial drafting. Across all these regions, the focus is primary on business-oriented legal services, not litigation. Now, how do you actually get clients? There are multiple channels available. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr are most direct starting points. LinkedIn is highly effective for connecting with founders and business owners. You can also explore legal content platform and referrals. The key principle is consistency. You need to combine clear positioning, regular outreach, and professional communication. Let us now to talk about pricing. In the beginning, you may start with a modest rate around $10 to $20 per hour. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates to 30 to 50 or even higher. You can also charge on a fixed project basis for contract and policies. Payments are typically handled through secure channels such as a freelancing platform, Voice, or Payoneer. The important mindset is that you are not pricing based on your location, but on the value of your service. To succeed in international legal freelancing, certain skills are essential. You need strong contract drafting ability. You must be comfortable with legal research, especially in US and UK formats. Clear and professional English communication is critical. You should also understand basic business and commercial practices. Additionally, familiarity Familiarity with simple legal tech tools can improve your efficiency. In short, skill clarity and professionalism define your success. It is equally important to avoid common mistake. Do not offer services that require a foreign license. Avoid creating a very general profile without specialization. Do not underprice your service for a long time. And most importantly, never neglect communication with client. International client value clarity, reality, and consistency. Let us summarize a practical action plan. Start by choosing one high demand legal skill. Create a small but strong portfolio with a few simple works. Set up your profile on freelancing platform or LinkedIn. Begin consistent outreach and application, and focus on delivering high quality work to your essential client. This is a structured path. With time and consistency, it can evolve into a stable and global legal career. International freelancing is not just an alternative career option, it is a strategic opportunity for those who are willing to adopt and build relevant skill. Thank you for your time.